All right, let's learn how to stamp on linen. It's not terribly hard. It's pretty much like paper, but you want to hold longer on fabric. So you want to use archival ink. It won't run, it won't fade, it won't, if you get it wet, it's not going to get hurt. You want to get some refill ink, a bottle of refill ink to put on there so that it's pretty black. These are the rubber stamps you can get in sheets. This one says beauty in simplicity. So then you put it on an acrylic block, and I just happen to have these little rulers of mine that I'm using, so I didn't need to buy an acrylic block. And you just place that rubber piece on your acrylic and it sticks. So then I'm using leftover linens from all the cuts, so you did a needle book, and you did a pincushion, and you've got all this excess fabric, and there's all kinds of linens out there. This one's a little bit more nubbly, this one is smooth, so I'll show you the difference in how they print. One thing I do before I print is I rip so I can get the grain, because what I want to do is get it as straight as I can in the grain so that when I fray it, let's see, where's my... Hold on, let me get a little book here so I can show you the fraying. So when I fray this word, it will be straight when I pull the strings. So you want to get this as square as you can. All right, sometimes you can just press on the block, but I really like to pick up the ink block and press my words. A little bit more. All right, now I want to make sure as much as I can. The great thing about these clear pieces is you can line them up. So I want to line it up as well as I can, as straight as possible, and then hold it there for a minute. So on paper, I wouldn't hold it this long, but I want to make sure that the ink is kind of soaking in. All right, and then lift it straight up. Oh, that's cute. All right, so that's on that linen. So when I cut that, I'm going to cut it like that, and I'll start pulling the strings, and that should fray pretty squarely because I was right on the line. So then let's put it on this other. Let's do it this way. Put it on this other linen. Line it up. Pull it straight up. Well, that one looks as good. I think they look great. Okay, any questions? Just ask me. Pretty simple. Have fun.